Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Hope you are well. So at first I will express myself. So I am Abir. I am in class 9. So I study in Kumarkhali MN Pilot High School. So it is new time of make video for me. So besides that, you can see one person. So actually he is my teacher. He is my English teacher. So at this moment we are staying a field. It is just a sporting club field. It is situated in Kumarkhali. So at this moment we are staying this place. So we can see many people and many younger brother and children. They are playing cricket. Some people and some children, they are playing football. So after then I will tell to you that besides side we can see one person. Actually his name is Golam Rahman. Actually he is my teacher. So at this moment I will some questions to him. So sir, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Obviously, you can ask any question at this moment. And thank you very much that you will give a chance to say something about in this situation or in this environment, as we are staying at a place which is just sporting mart.
Yeah, sporting club front.
It has been made for the sporting. For this reason, many people or many students, different kinds of people and students every day they come here to spend their personal time so that they can enjoy their time here. And as you can see that there are some students, they are playing the football, and another side of this field some can you show over there, and some people they are staying beside of this field. They are gossiping with each other. Actually they are very old person, and we are staying at a corner of this field. However, you can ask any question at this moment, that what kinds of at first I want to know that what kinds of question do you have. You can ask.
Actually,
already I am ready.
Actually, I wanted that, and I will do some questions. Already you have told this question, told this answer question.
Yes.
So
Exactly.
I wanted one question. This it is just what are you thinking now at this moment? So already you have told it. So not more longer. When we will finish our video. So it was our new video. So if
We cannot eat more longer. Stay well, stay safe.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
All the best.
Best.